Welcome back, your old friend is here. So by this time you should have used that can-do band and try things out. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, if you have any questions or concerns, down below I'm going to have my email address that you can email me directly. So if you have a question about something or even how to progress these exercises, email me. That's what I'm here for. So to recap, I'm giving you exercises that are safe. I'm giving you exercises that are effective. I'm giving you exercises that are efficient. And they're efficient because they incorporate a whole bunch of muscles at once. So let's continue down that journey. And today, I want to incorporate balance, agility, coordination, and strength of your trunk. So here we have the band. And of course, it's looped and it's made of fabric. So that makes it pretty darn special in terms of the things that we're capable of doing with it. And we're going to put it around something that's not going to go anywhere. I'm taking this and I'm sticking the tail through one of the loops, tightening it up. Now it's not going to go anywhere. So watch this. You take this band and I want you to wrap it around your shoulders. And you're going to do this probably a dozen times before you remember how to do it the right way, because that's how long it took me, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So it's going to wrap around the back of you. Did you see how I just did that? And then you're going to hold on to it. And then from here, you are going to twist. You're going to twist your trunk. Now here's how I want you to think about it. I want your center of gravity to stay within your base of support. So that means that you are going to corkscrew this motion. You're going to keep very, very vertical. I don't want this, right? I don't want this. I want you to corkscrew. You're simply going to go like that, right? And this is going to start strengthening the muscles in your back, the front, the sides, and the back of your trunk. So it's going to look like this. Now, obviously, the further away you stand, the more resistance it's going to give you. The closer you stand, the less resistant. But, of course, you know me by now, so you know that that's not the last thing you're going to do with this exercise. And that's right, you may have guessed it. I want you to do this while you're standing on one leg. Now, the leg that I want you to stand on is the one that's opposite of where this force is coming from. So in this case, this is going around my left hand. I want to stand on my right leg. So here I am standing on my right leg, and then I'm rotating to the right. So you're going to stand on the leg where you're rotating. Now the first thing that you're going to notice is that's going to make you slow down, right? You have to slow down in order to keep yourself balanced, because if you whip this thing around, you're going to lose your balance really quickly. So that's standing trunk rotation. Then when I'm ready to do the other way, I simply rotate and rotate. And now I'm doing it from this direction. I'll stand on the opposite leg and I'll rotate this way. Right? So you really don't have to change a lot. You're only twisting one direction and then the other. So those are my standing trunk rotations on one leg. Build up to it in the beginning. If you can only stand with one leg with the other toe on the ground, feel free to do that. But also remember that I want you to keep your center of gravity within your base of support. Email me if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you soon.